What's up, guys? It's Luke W coming back at you today. I want to share with you guys a little bit about how crazy Amazon FBA is, and then I want to hop in my car and take you guys on to the gym with me. But what I want to be explaining to you guys in this video is some statistics about Amazon as we get started on our way to the gym now. Doing a very intricate driving while on the phone here. Very cool. So I was just doing some reading on Amazon and kind of how big it really is. And worldwide, I saw e-commerce is a $22 trillion business right now, guys. So 22 trillion, I don't know too many other things that are worth that much money. I mean, everyone was all hyped about the whole crypto thing, and that was like 800 billion at one point, but 22 trillion, guys, this is e-commerce. This is why stores are no longer, they're shutting down, guys. Nordstrom and all these stores are going online because e-commerce is taking over. You guys, we all know this stuff, okay? So what I decided was, let's hop on to Amazon FBA. I can ship inventory right into Amazon from China after sourcing a nice product, and from there I'm able to utilize Amazon's warehouses and their customer service and their shipping out to customers. Not only that, but the best part and why Amazon is so great is because I can sell on their website, which gets the most traffic. Another statistic that I read was 300 million users use Amazon monthly. Okay, so that's pretty insane. Amazon.com specifically. So just in the US, every month, I believe it's every month. I don't think that was every year that I read. 300 million, and that's almost like the entire population. So, and another thing I read was 72 or something percent of US residents are Prime customers. So that's kind of a scary number, guys. That's really a high percentage. It's like Amazon has completely monopolized the e-commerce space here in the US, and they're only continuing to grow. So I cannot believe how crazy it is. And another thing I read was something like 44% of Amazon customers are just like repeat customers. I mean, once you get that just shows how loyal Amazon is. I must be reading that one wrong, because I thought it was 44% on something is a loyal customer, but I believe, once people start buying on Amazon, they're like, hey, I can get free 2-day shipping with Prime. I myself am a Prime customer on Amazon, and I'm paying $6 a month to get free shipping. Like, literally. Okay, we're kicking it into gear here. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm paying $6 a month to be an Amazon Prime customer. And what's crazy about that is, if I buy a product anyway, I'm paying $5 for shipping anyway. So Amazon really hooks you with the Prime customer thing. They spend $12 billion a year on shipping to customers. So guys, Amazon is absolutely insane. What I want to tell you guys again right now is I'm going to jump over to some social media topics, because I've been watching a ton of Grant Cardone lately, and this guy is getting me so hyped. He's 59 years old and uses every form of social media known to man. Because of him, I just started an Amazon FBA Twitter where I'm just uploading my videos that I make, and everywhere I can possibly share a video, I'm sharing it and getting it out there. That's the number one way I've been able to grow my YouTube in and of itself. But I just started my Twitter, and my handle is @FBA Freak, because I'm an FBA freak. So just any kind of like news and updates and stuff like that, I'm going to post on Twitter. I mean, you guys always know in the description box, I got my Amazon Facebook page where you guys can reach out to me with messages if you want to do something like a consultation or coaching call, anything like that. I'm there to help you guys. So yeah, we're heading to the gym right now. I know this video is dragging on a little bit, but whoa. That's some Tanner J. Foxx whipping right there, man. Okay. So again, back to social media, guys. YouTube is absolutely paramount to anyone that wants to reach an audience and develop a great bond with them. So, I mean, I reach out in videos to you guys, and I feel like, you know, that's the best form of communication. I can talk, you guys can get a feel for me, and I mean, sooner or later, once the clouds dissipate, I'm going to be rolling out to the skate park and taking you guys along with me to go bust some tricks and film that stuff for you guys as well, because the point of Amazon for me was to make money and be able to do whatever the heck I want without having to show up and clock into work. There should be my Twitter hashtag, no more 9 to 5, or never clock in, baby, never clock in. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to note was, if you guys didn't know below, I'm going to have the first link in the description is going to be for the Amazon Seller Pro course that I'm going to be making here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I'll have that completed for you guys, and I'm doing a $100 discount for anyone that sends me an email, and I've already had 2 people do that, Nicole and I think Angela. So I'm surprised that 2 women were the ones that reached out to me so far, and 98% of my viewers are males. So I don't know what that says. I feel like I'd have some more males reaching out, but those 2 women reached out, and I'm gonna hook them up with $100 to the course. And a really cool thing I'm gonna include is gonna be a kind of YouTube affiliate type module pretty much for the course. So anyone that gets it, I'm going to teach them how to kind of start their own YouTube channel, and they can, what that's going to do for them is the same thing it did for me when I first started with Tanner J. Foxx's Amazon course. Was I got his course, I paid $500 for it, and then I made a YouTube channel where I could market his course, and if I sold 5 of his courses, because I got 20% commission every time, if I sold 5 of his courses, I'd make all my money back. And I'm going to kind of teach you guys and give you a crash course on how to start your YouTube channel and pretty much start making money the second, if you get the course, like the second you get it, you can start your own YouTube, document your journey. And that brings us back to like social media and how you guys never know how big you're going to get if you start, if you just get out of your comfort zone and start social media, and YouTube especially if you're a woman, because there's like 1 or 2 women out there that talk about Amazon FBA on a YouTube channel. So that's a huge niche that people haven't even tapped into. So if you're a woman out there looking to get started with Amazon, freaking send me an email down below. If you're a guy, there's not even that many people talking about Amazon. And what Tanner Foxx says is, you should be, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you should start with a pretty, like, think of what broad niche you want to be in. So I was like, entrepreneurship, but I'm not going to be a celebrity in the space of entrepreneurship right away. I need to categorize down 1 more level, maybe to something like Amazon FBA. And at that point, I can be more of a celebrity at that level, because you got to start kind of niche down. And after you grow your following from a pretty specific standpoint, like becoming an expert at Amazon FBA, being a celebrity in your space for that topic, you are then able to expand out to other more broad subjects. But I mean, this is the perfect go-to thing, guys, and it's exactly what I did. I got an Amazon course, I left a review for the course, and I was able to make sales of Tanner's course and make money while I was sourcing my first Amazon product. So absolutely a great thing that I'm going to include for you guys, a little YouTube crash course. We're showing up here at LA Fitness. We're in Mill Creek Town Center right now. Thanks for riding along with me, guys. I know this video may not have been the best. If you didn't really like it, leave a comment, and leave a comment if you want to start Amazon, or just send me an email, because I'm going to be there to help you guys. I have a smaller YouTube channel, so that allows me to kind of help more people instead of these guys like Tanner Foxx who have 100,000 subscribers. And now when someone buys his course, Tanner's gonna, like, even when he only had 1,200 subscribers and I was following him, he still only left me like a 3-word response to the messages I sent him. So I want to be there for you guys and give you guys some more detailed explanations. And the more people like you guys I can help succeed with Amazon, the better it's going to build my reputation as well. Because if you guys are succeeding and you're saying, yo, Luke helped me actually break free of my 9-to-5 job, then that's just all I really want to do. And then you guys are going to be able to pay it forward and make your own YouTube channels and inspire others for generations to come, guys. So we're pulling up here, LA Fitness, and I'm going to park. I'm going to go get a little pump on, and if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel and you want to, I usually bring a lot more professional content, or at least I try to, and I'm just trying to abuse YouTube, guys. Like Grant Cardone says, upload the heck out of it. So I'm going to go home probably later today and make another video for you guys. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and if you did like it, please just tickle that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.